Hi, I'm June. Welcome back. Today, I'm going to show you my step-by-step process for painting a vibrant digital sunset. We'll start with a basic sketch to block out our horizon line and the position of the sun. Next, we layer in those warm, glowing colors to create that classic sunset atmosphere. Finally, we refine the clouds and add some sparkling reflections on the water to bring it all to life. And there you have it, a beautiful digital sunset. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more digital art tutorials. I'm June, thanks for watching.